Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will dive deep into the exciting world of digital marketing strategy and discuss how you can effectively structure a plan to propel your business to new heights. Whether you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or marketing enthusiast, this video is packed with invaluable information that will help you unlock the full potential of your online presence. So, grab a pen and paper, prepare to take some notes, and let's get started. Before diving into the intricacies of developing a robust digital marketing strategy, let's first understand why it is crucial to have one in place. In the digital age we live in, the market is saturated with competitors vying for consumer attention. Having a well-structured plan not only sets you apart from the crowd, but also maximizes your chances of success. A digital marketing strategy acts as a roadmap, outlining your goals, target audience, and the channels you'll leverage to reach them. So let's break down the key components of an effective digital marketing strategy. The first step is clearly defining your objectives. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. These goals could be increasing brand awareness, driving conversions, or expanding your customer base. Once you have a clear vision, the next step is identifying your target audience. Conducting thorough market research is vital in determining who your ideal customers are. Consider their demographics, interests, online behavior, and pain points. This information allows you to craft tailored marketing messages that resonate with your target audience, increasing the chances of engagement and conversion. With a clear understanding of your objectives and target audience in place, the next step is to select the most appropriate digital marketing channels to reach and engage with your audience. From search engine optimization to social media marketing, paid advertising, content marketing, and email campaigns, each channel has unique advantages based on your goals and target audience. Now that you have identified the channels, it's time to create compelling content that aligns with your brand and resonates with your audience. Engaging content can take various forms, such as blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, case studies, or interactive quizzes. Remember to leverage different types of content to reach a wider audience and keep your messaging consistent across platforms. As you develop your content, it's crucial to optimize it for search engines. Implementing SEO techniques ensures that your content ranks higher in search engine results pages, driving organic traffic to your website. Target relevant keywords, improve website loading speed, optimize meta tags, and focus on quality link building to improve your website's visibility to potential customers. Moving forward, let's discuss the importance of analyzing your digital marketing efforts. Measuring key performance indicators enables you to track the effectiveness of your strategy, make data-driven decisions, and optimize your campaigns for better results. Analytical tools like Google Analytics provide valuable insights into website traffic, user behavior, conversion rates, and other essential metrics. Continuous monitoring and adjustment of your digital marketing strategy are crucial to staying ahead in the digital landscape. Keep an eye on industry trends, competitors, and customer feedback to adapt your strategy accordingly. Experimentation is key in finding what works best for your business, so don't be afraid to pivot and test new tactics. Finally, let's discuss the importance of a well-defined budget and timeline. Allocating resources appropriately ensures that your digital marketing efforts are sustainable and aligned with your business goals. Consider factors such as paid advertising costs, content production expenses, and employee time investment. Additionally, set realistic timelines for achieving milestones and reassess your strategy periodically to adapt to changing market conditions. Congratulations! Armed with this comprehensive breakdown of how to structure a digital marketing plan, you are now well equipped to take your business to the next level. Remember, a strong foundation built on clearly defined goals, understanding your audience, selecting the right channels, creating compelling content, optimizing for search engines, analyzing your efforts, continuous monitoring, and maintaining a well-defined budget and timeline is key for success in the digital marketing realm. That's all for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or additional tips in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.